Well, it's January 28th, 2018, and what I have here is a couple of cut-off Farmall F-30 rims, and they're in pretty decent shape. Got this one right here. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but you can tell it's been bent out a little bit, or bent in. I should be able to heat that up and fix that. And then right there, it's right by where the filler neck would go in. And I'll go ahead and patch that up. I'll probably end up drilling a hole for the tube elsewhere, but that's not too bad to fix. This one here has other problems. In addition to a couple of holes right there and right there, it's not too bad. And the rim itself isn't too bad, except for that. But we have this problem. I don't know how that happened. It might have been sitting down in the mud for, a couple hundred years. But inside, I can cut those rivets out and go ahead and replace that. That shouldn't be too hard. And I'll make my own rivets, since those big heavy ones like that are kind of hard to come by. But a friend of mine is rebuilding the motor for me, and he said he should have it done by the end of the week, and he lives about 175 miles away, so it'll take him a little bit to get it here. So hopefully I can have these rims ready to go and a couple tires on it, so I can get the rest of the chassis out away from where it is and be ready to put the motor in, and then I can start tearing apart the rest of it. But at least I got the rims out here ready to go.